Alright, what's up guys? Your boy Hotshot. We're gonna do a walk around real quick. Show you guys what to look for when buying a used trailer. Alright, so this here is a coupler slash fifth wheel. It goes, hooks to the truck. Now you're gonna see this one move a little loose. You don't want that. So what you need to do is this here needs to be tightened up. I don't know how mine got a little loose, but we'll tighten it up before we leave. This nuts here is tight, so it's not going up and down, it just moves back and forth. Another thing you want to check is this coupler. I have seen them where they don't go all the way through like that. Now, and if it's not going all the way through and you hit a little bump or something like that, then you're gonna have problems. Now you can see this one is super tight, that it barely goes through here, which is okay. I'd prefer that than it be too short. Then you just want to go around, check all your welds. Just make sure on these cross beams there's no there's no broken welds, cracked welds, none of that. You want to check for your inspection stickers, see if he said he's been running it, make sure it's got an inspection sticker and it's legal. And again, just check all your welds, your cracks. Now that there is the wiring box. You want to make sure that's enclosed. If that's open, exposed to the elements, that could be a problem down the line from corrosion and then water not working. Just look around, look for welds, take your time. It's not a rush. And the secret to buying is silence. The more you're looking around and don't say anything, they don't know what's going on. And they don't know what you know or don't know. Even if you just look around it for a half an hour and don't know anything, they don't know that. They think you know. Then you want to verify the sticker that's on it. See my VIN's right here, so it's easy to verify. You want to look at your GVWR, which on mine is 14.5. You want to verify that. And just make sure that that's what you got, because now if this thing says 20, then I need a CDL. So, which is fine, but just all on what you guys are looking for. Now and then again, you just look through. Just look at everything, make sure there's no crack welds. Now, then you're going to go down, check your lights. Obviously, you'll have them on, but I don't have the truck. It's in the shop. Now, this here, front of your first axle, the most important part of your trailer. Because that is where all the weight goes. See this crack? Happens on almost all of them. So it's probably going to be there. Use it to your advantage. You got to get it fixed, but use it to your advantage. And then just look around down here. And you can see, luckily my other ones aren't cracked. So, and then you want to look at the equalizers. The equalizers are those blocks that are between each of my tires. You want to make sure they're even. Those ones are pretty even, which tells me that they were replaced at some time and they're not super horrible. They'll be okay. But now, you stand back and you look at that equalizer and that one. This one here needs replaced. And it needs replaced because the one of them bolts is bad. I don't know if it's actually the equal. I think it's a bracket. I have to get in there and double check. Hopefully it's just the equalizer bracket and it's easy to fix. Because you can see where they're not the exact same. So it works, but it needs replaced. Then you want to check your tires. Make sure they're good. If you're going to need any. And then you want to kick your wheels. Like here, that's not too bad. That one could definitely be tightened a little bit. You want to move them. So if you can move them, that's okay. You want a little click. But now if you move them and it's a clank, that means that your the bearings in there need replaced. Now when buying a trailer, I would recommend doing bearings right away. It's cheap and easy, and it's well worth it in my opinion. And then just go around and you want to check for rust, obviously. On these trailers, surface rust is going to happen. That's not a big deal. So just look around. Then you want to check behind these wheels is a thing called a backing plate. Let me see if I can get you one. Go over here. I think we can get you one over here. So your backing plate is what holds your brakes. And now if they look older and rusted, means the brakes have been on here a while. Now you see that there is a backing plate. You can see all of mine are black and they look new. That means I just put brakes on it. Now you want to check these axles, make sure they're straight. Now the thing with axles is they're not going to be 100% straight. There will be a little hump in it, like not a major hump. It's going to be an evenly flowing hump in them. I don't know if we can see. Yeah, maybe you can see it. And what they're designed that way. Now you'll be able to look at them and tell if they're actually really bad or not. But I think just look around. I crawl in it, under it. You want to check those. Check your springs. Check those U-bolts. You know, just go around looking at everything. You want to see if you can try to shake these here. Or no, you didn't even see that. See if you can shake that there. There's bushings in there. You know, all in all, there's not much to trailers as long as it's structurally sound. Back there, everything can be redone for $2,500. So you got a nice clean trailer that you like, but you think it needs some work back there, just budget into the buying price. Any trailer can be a good trailer if bought correctly. Now this guy here. But all right, guys, that's what I look for when buying a trailer. All right, you have any questions, just let me know. Now in the comments, you guys do me a favor, which do you prefer? Kaufman, Take 3, Sun Country, like what is your favoritely designed trailer? Honestly, I like the Sun Country. I've never pulled one, but on what I pulled, this has got to be one of my favorite, man. I love this trailer. Yeah, and this one's the 102 wide, so it means I could put anything on there. But all right, guys, it's your boy Hotshot. Put that in the comments on what your favorite trailer is. You have any questions, just let me know. HotshotWedge@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell.